Hi, Bill here from All About Weddings, back with another wedding tip. So last week we had a fantastic wedding, and this couple had a really unique idea that we want to share with you. Maybe you can use for your wedding. It's called Capture Every Memory. It's an app that your guests download and basically share all the photographs that get taken throughout the day into this storage area that a couple get to keep. What a fantastic idea. It wasn't expensive. I think it was about £24. So there's a little video that the company Capture Every Memory provide. We're going to play that after me talking. And then if you're interested, there's a link down below to the company, and you can download the app, or you can sign up for £24 and make it part of your wedding. What a great idea. Enjoy.
Introducing Capture Every Memory, the ultimate solution to capture every laugh, tear and dance move from your wedding day. Your guests will take lots of photos and videos on their smartphones of your wedding, capturing candid moments you won't have seen. We make it super easy for your guests to upload these all in one place for you to download, print and treasure forever. How it works: we generate a personal QR code linked to your very own personal online gallery. We create and send you personalised table cards with your personal QR code on to encourage your guests to upload their images and videos taken of your wedding to your personal online gallery. Place your table cards around your venue on your wedding day for your guests to scan the QR code with their smartphones to easily upload their images and videos taken of your wedding directly to your online gallery with one click of a button. After the wedding, you will have collected hundreds of candid photos and videos of your wedding, all in one place. You can download these high-resolution images to print, share and treasure forever. Capture hundreds more photos of your wedding day with Capture Every Memory.